Okay, please try this question, number 3. You may want to try it by yourself, or okay, pause it if you want to look at the answers. The answers is here. 3, zap, zap, zap. Continue the video for the working steps. Okay, alright, so let's try this question. This is now intermediate questions, higher than what we did on the lecture just now. Okay, so first glance, how will we start? Is it separable or is it IF? Separable, as you can see over here. Y, Y, and you can see X, X. Then nothing much over here. E to Y, dy, x squared x, dx. What do we do, please? We integrate both sides. Okay, integrating on the left gives you what? Integrating the right side. You see standard x, congratulations, some people are able to see. And of course your plus c. Okay, what do we want to do next? So our next strategy. The main idea is to let your y to be alone. Okay. Someone asked me, sir, can we substitute this value here right now? I would not suggest that yet. If I were you, I would try to get y to something first, and then we will try to figure out where do we want to substitute. If not, it's going to bring extra numbers, going to make your life more complicated. So yeah, just bring these two first. These two normally we times here and we also times here, right? Okay, I want to talk something. So here what will we get? 2c. Before I go further, let me ask you a question. Normally if we got ourselves AC, I write it down as A, Y. Okay, how is this possible? Because E is a constant, C is a constant. So I get myself new constant. 2 is a C is a constant. Right? So it can become just one new constant. Normally we just go with C. Of course you can say, hey, so it's a new constant, I want to put D. As long as you are happy. Okay, now we reach here. How do we make the exponent disappear? You long both sides. You can say long here, you can say long here. The left side, 2y, the right side. Nothing much you can do with it. What is 2? Transfer it. Okay, congratulations if you got that. Next thing is that you need to transfer this value, which is x equals to 5/4, y equals to 0. How and where should you substitute it? Substitute it down here, okay? But if, just my personal opinion, let's please have a look. If you substitute here, what are we trying to find when we substitute this value?
C.
Trying to find C. A little bit dramatic. The sulfur smells from chemistry lab. I hope the chemistry lab is not explode. That's why doing maths is safe, nothing gets explode. Alright. The problem is if you substitute here, when you substitute here, your C is inside the ln, am I right? So how are they going to get the value of C? There's a ln here. You have to exponent. Normally, like I mentioned in the lecture, doing here is what makes it easier. But sometimes if your luck is not on your side, then substitute somewhere before that would be easier. How are we going to know, sir? That's what we call wisdom. Alright? How are you going to get wisdom? Through a lot of failure. You need to make a lot of faults first. So it's only by experience. So the best place to substitute, in my opinion, is actually here without the lawn. Substitute inside that is the easiest, in my opinion. So when x equals to this value, got ourselves exponent is 0 to tangent pi over 4 plus c. The tangent pi over 4 is equals to pi over 4 is, you know it by now, this is 1 plus c, so c is negative 1. So this is far easier than you transfer into here. You need to exponent things up. How are we going to do through experience? How are we going to get experience? Through a lot of mistakes, failure, and so on. That's why exercise is a requirement. So where should you transfer this value? It's like here. So the best answer will be C. And this is the final answer. You guys okay? Right, that's all. Pause. Let's have a look for a second. Immediate level questions. Okay, of course. The first question you need to ask yourself is it separable? It is a separable. You can have a look over here. It's y and y, so you can factorize.
Ciao. Don't move.
Give you y x plus 1. Here. You see, hey, dy y, that looks awesome. X dx, x plus 1, everything is times, so you can move it. So 1 over y dy, x plus 1 over x dx. What else should we do? Integrate both sides. Okay? Integrate 1 over y. Congratulations. How do we integrate this part? Separate. The word split. I have to be honest, sometimes I say separate, sometimes I say 1 plus 1 over x dx. Integrate 1 x plus c. Don't forget the plus c. Yeah, unlike integration, normal integration, if you forgot plus c, you just minus 1 marks. But for differential equation, you forgot your plus c, minus 8 marks for you. Okay, you got this far. You want our y to be alone. Y got 1. Exponent whatever you have here, exponent whatever you have here. This one gives me y. This is a famous answer.
My answer.
If you got here, let's start with something like this. So I want to split it, what will I get? 2 times 2, 3. Here is times, y here is plus. And here is a famous wrong answer. This one is wrong. What you get yourself is ex, e ln x, ec. Ec, constant, a, e ln x, let's use different colors, x, e ln disappear, ex, yes. Nice. Fine. What should we do next? substitute this value. X equals to 3, y equals to 2. Where should I start this?
Last one.
Last one seems the easiest. Okay, so we're going to substitute like here. So y is 2, x is 3, c 3. Over here you can rearrange them. A 2 over 3, E negative 3, or you want to do the 1 over. Depends on your taste. Once I reach here, what should I do? Substitute inside is A. This is good enough. Of course, you can be a bit kiasu. They combine these two. 1 x minus 3.
Y thôi.
Y equals y 9. Both of them are separable. This is okay. This is a bit kiasu. You alright? Any question? Thank you. These last questions, let's have a look. Of course, I'm going to go a bit fast, okay? First question, separable or not? Well, this looks a bit messy. I suggest we move one of these to the right side. We give ourselves 1 plus x squared. dy equals to minus xy dx. You can see y and y. You can see x and everything is times. So it's good, you can split it up. 1 over y dy equals to negative x 1 plus x squared. Dx, of course, we should not end it this way. Integrate both sides. Integrating 1 over y. Integrating here. How should we integrate this side? If I differentiate here, I'll get myself 2x. I did not see 2x up there, only x. So 3 times 2 over 2. This 2 goes inside. This negative, take it out. It's too fast, we get this one. Negative 1 over 2. 2x, wait, I'm just rewriting it for some of your friends. Okay, here's your 2 and 2. Here's your negative, we take it out. Yes, you're right, it gives you ln. Negative 1 over 2. ln 1 plus x squared. If you realize you differentiate, you got top, that means you're doing very, very well, trust me. You got here ln, we don't like ln, we don't want ln at y, what should we do? Exponent both sides. Left side is easy, we got y. The right side is a bit tricky. Exponent negative 1 over 2, ln 1 plus x squared. And of course we can split easy. Easy one first, easy hit me. A, y A. Constant times constant. Some new constant. What about here? 1 plus x squared. Oh, 9. Oh, apa 9? What was that? English. You 1 over 2, you bring it up here, and E and ln disappear. It depends on how fast you're going to do. You're on quarrel. So 1 plus x squared negative 1 over 2. How can I rewrite this? Negative means There are multiple ways of writing down your answers. That's just one of them. Are we done? What should we do? Substitute here. X equals to 1, y equals to 2. Running out of space. And x equals to 1, y equals to 2. Substitute inside there. So we got ourselves 2 equals to a 1 plus 1 square 1 square root. So 2 equals to a square root 2, which gives you a is 2 square root 2. Are we okay? Or you just want to go home quickly, sir? So substitute a inside here. Y equals to, let's put blue here, 2 square root 2, 1 plus x squared square root. This is okay as your final answers, which I really don't mind. As the answers behind is a bit different, because there's a square root, there's a square root. I say, hey, why don't we square everything? They got y squared. 2 squared, 4 square root 2 squared, 4 times 2, 8. It's too fast there. 4 and 2. The square root disappear. Okay, regarding these answers, which one better? See, both are fine. Both are accepted. This one is kiasu. Even Madam Queenie told me she doesn't like this answer. She said this should be fine. I agree with her. Okay, so choose your poison. Gonna be, hey, this is good enough, or you just want to be more kiasu into your life. Okay, alright, that's all. Thank you very much.